Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Luis Cryptolu here, and thanks for watching this video. Today I gonna, for the last like a week or two I was off because it's kind of busy in the work. So I was trying to come up every single day before the ETF on January the 10th. We're already like 8 days after that big like dump on the first time because the hack from X and all that kind of nightmare stuff. Um, Now I come to you today to explain what are my thoughts on my indicators and everything that I'm been watching lately, the news. Also, try to figure that out. What's the situation as progressive with the Bitcoin ETF? So I told you guys that I still have a lot of positions on crypto related stocks, and I kind of like a misread on that situation because I thought everything was gonna go like up in the sky, go to the moon, stuff like that. But apparently, what happened was because the ETFs, came up, so the the stocks go like, why we needed these stocks, because they only have like, if you want to like invest it in Bitcoin without buying Bitcoin in the stock market, you could buy like Mata, Hiat, Hive, Bacta, all those stocks that was kind of crypto related, and they pump and dump according with the Bitcoin price. But now that they have a Bitcoin ETF, they don't have like to rely all the investors. They can go on the ETFs from the Bitcoin and not just those stocks. Of course, because the price took a hit on the day of the 9, the day of 10, and now like those days that coming right after ETF. My point of view is still this way. So as you can see in this indicator that I'm showing to you guys right now, I'm gonna zoom in. I have these we call MSB OB indicator. That's actually, let me show you the name. It's Market Structure Break and Order Blocks by Emerac. So it shows every time a big position, it's open on the sell, or on the buy is green, sell it's red. I really don't like it. I mentioned a couple of videos. If you follow my channel, if you wanna interest to see it, what I was saying before, I really don't like this movement on the Bitcoin at all. Every time this happening in a side trade for like couple weeks, because we looking at the weekly chart, and when this happening, it's not good, because Bitcoin has a tendency from that to break like dramatically 40, 50, sometimes back in the past like even like 80%. I really don't like this side trade. So we're looking at the weekly trade. As you can see, the buy position, which is, I really still kind of try to understand the longevity of the blocks. As you can see, the blocks in this one go all the way up to like December 2nd. So I think this is this go to February the 5th. It ends up over here. this sell position, or either they're gonna have to close this, or they're gonna open new position or something like that. I don't know. I'm I'm gonna right now making these videos. I'm probably gonna look back and see what's the situation. So saying that, I'm gonna show you what I'm looking at on my other screen. So this is actually my cell phone, and this is the Bitcoin futures from CME Group app. So what I'm looking over here, back in 2017-18, when the first Bitcoin got like the big dump, it was because of that, because Bitcoin hit like $20,000 and went from $20,000 to $4,000. They opened this kind of like the futures on Bitcoin on the CME Group. They able to like short. Of course, they short before and other like Bitfinex, Bybit, and everything. But this is like the have way money. That's what the institutions actually keep saying, like, oh, the institutions don't have the way to come in, but that's like they created in 2017-18 for that purpose. So I really didn't understand much, but I think the price fluctuated on these contracts over here. So right now, as you can see it, I see here like the volume on this for the settlements. It's anywhere from 50, 23, and 45,000, and it go up 23 at 52,000. So saying that this contracts is all European, it ends the expiration is the last Friday of the month. In the past, that's what happened. So Bitcoin, so however the indicator was like heavily positioned in the week before, sometimes you say it was a bear. The weekly before, they try to push down to make happening for the contracts, the lower price got paid. If like the weekly it was bullish, the weekly like before it was bullish, the Bitcoin went up in the sky. So but now with the ETF, I don't know what the situation is going to be in the market, how they're going to be playing with that. Because if they want to, if we are on the bull market, that's another point that I want to bring to you guys. If we're in a bull market, we are supposed to have corrections to go up. However, I think we are in a bull market. I think that the price on Bitcoin should go up more and more, okay? Because not just because just the ETF, but everything else that I believe the price on the ETF and every other Bitcoin related should go. If you hear noise, it's my neighbor probably cleaning his car or doing some construction job, so sorry about that. Anyway, so bull market for Bitcoin ETF, that's what's supposed to be, and I believe that's where we're going. Okay, so right now I don't see no buy position at this point in the weekly chart. The weekly chart, not just the side trade, but also the technical analysis in the candle that shows a very bearish situation because we are inside the block from the sell position, and also we are going to this ETF soul popper that I don't know where this go. So we're in a 10 minutes video. I think that's pretty much that I cover on what I was looking for on the Bitcoin ETF. It was like, I mean, we clear like a bullish from the past, as you can see it from here. Even my indicators, my channel broke, still a buy position. I didn't see it. I don't have a sell position open on my indicator that I have the channel breaks, long range try, no indicator for sell position. So we are still in a buy position situation. Even we have this situation over here for this in my other indicator. Also, as you can see, this bottom one, the RSI, it looks like we should be like overbought, but it's not. We're not overbought at this point, so I don't know. So see how it goes from that. Now we have the price fluctuate right now at 41 and 300. So let's I like to take a look on a 5 minutes chart, and let's fix this. All right, 5 minutes. Still a lot of short positions open at 42. Didn't show like overbought. The other one that I look at, it's a 1 hour, and on 1 hour also not showing the RSI if you are oversold. But as you can see, a lot of like positions what was open for short. Actually not seeing because I'm not showing it to you guys. Okay, now I'm showing the 1 hour and 5 minutes. So 5 minutes sometimes show me some indicator, and 1 hour is supposed to be oversold, but it's not oversold. So 42.60 those positions, and okay, this one here, the block ends up on Friday tomorrow. Okay, no, it's tomorrow, so it's going to 4 hours. Yeah, Saturday 20. So, and these also the same time. And let's take a look one thing over here. Let's go futures, and let's take these. And let's go here in the CME. Let's take a look at the futures. 4 hours. We got this two big blocks of 48,000. Let's go to weekly. And in the weekly for the CME group futures January 24, we have the channel break for sell. As I told you before, the Bitcoin, this first one here this one that I have the two lines is the one for a Binance. And if let's actually go back this way, and here let's take futures. Let's see CME group January, and let me show it to you guys. Okay, see if you guys can see it. I really don't like the way it is, but okay, so the one on the right is the Binance, the one on the left is the one for CME group, and as you can see right now, the price in the futures for CME is below the price on Binance. This is happening. Really don't understand why this is supposed to be happening, but I think the price on Binance should go down from this point on. Because either that or the price in the future should go up on 41 to 65. So let's see how it goes. And I believe, like I say, I keep saying that I believe the price of Bitcoin, on my point of view, because these futures over here, if you look puts, we have, let me show you guys. Okay, so you have 4 at 38, 2 at 40,000, and 1 at 33, and 1 at 34. Let's see quotes. Call European. At the money. Proactive. Sorry for the noise. And the puts, nothing happening here. Let's go call. Also nothing on call. So yeah. No hackers, settlement. And let's go February. Alright, February we have 30 puts on 42,000. But also we have 30 at 42 Bitcoin, 30 at 47, and that's it. Turn the volume. 84, 52, no open interest. 2,000 for the calls. 1,000 from the puts. Yeah, pretty much thinking that I made a bet that Bitcoin is gonna hit a 50,000 by next week. $1 bet. Let's see how it goes. Doesn't look like it might even correct to $38,000, which is, I'm sure you guys might be this bottom over here, and if we go there, February might go up on the price, and the inflow, they keep saying the inflow in Bitcoin ETF is already past $2 billion, something like that. And I really, yeah, you see now the futures, it's already dump to 41.2. This is the future one from CME Group, 41.225. So let's see, 5 minutes. Not much. It's 1 hour. We might gonna have some buy positions placing for next week, which we gonna see the price bounce from here. It might hit the 40,000. I mean, sorry, the $50,000 for next week, and then I make my dollar back. All right, guys. I believe that was that I'm come up with you guys. I don't know if anybody gonna watch this video, but whatever. I still gonna do for my my view. Thank you very much for watch, and see you.